What's the best 30-day fitness challenge? Starting a fitness journey can often feel overwhelming, especially if you're unsure where to begin. The idea of committing to a long-term regimen can be intimidating, but what if you could commit to just 30 days? That's where 30-day fitness challenges come in. They provide a focused, manageable goal that can kickstart your fitness, build good habits, and keep you motivated. But with so many challenges out there, how do you decide which one is the best? In this article, we'll explore what makes a good 30-day fitness challenge, review popular options, and help you decide which challenge might be best for you. Why a 30-day fitness challenge? Before diving into the specifics, it's important to understand why 30 days is a popular time frame. Research shows that it takes roughly 21 to 30 days to form a habit, and committing to a daily workout or routine for a month helps establish consistency. The short-term nature means it's less daunting than a yearly commitment, making it easier to stay motivated and track progress. Moreover, a 30-day challenge can be a perfect reset, helping you move past plateaus, improve mental discipline, and increase physical fitness in a short amount of time. What makes a good 30-day fitness challenge? Not all challenges are created equal. To be effective, a fitness challenge should have several key characteristics. Progressive difficulty. The challenge should gradually increase in intensity or volume to help build strength and endurance without causing injury. Balanced routine. A good challenge targets multiple muscle groups or fitness components like strength, cardio, flexibility, and mobility. Simplicity. It should be easy to understand and follow, even for beginners, with clear instructions. Adaptability. Ideally, the challenge offers modifications to suit different fitness levels. Motivation and accountability. Challenges that provide a sense of community or tracking methods help participants stay motivated. Popular 30-day fitness challenges. Here are some of the most popular 30-day challenges, each with its unique focus and benefits. 1. The 30-day squat challenge. Focus: lower body strength and toning structure. Start with 50 squats on day 1, gradually increasing reps daily to around 250 by day 30. Why it's popular? Squats are one of the most effective exercises for toning the legs, glutes, and core. This challenge builds endurance and strength in your lower body and can be done anywhere without equipment. It's simple, but the volume will push your muscles. Best for beginners and those focused on leg and glute development. Caution: ensure proper form to avoid knee or back strain. 2. The 30-day plank challenge. Focus: core strength and stability structure. Begin with holding a plank for 20 seconds and progressively increase the time each day, reaching up to 5 minutes by day 30. Why it's popular? Planks target the entire core, including abs, back, and shoulders. This challenge helps improve posture, reduce back pain, and build endurance. It also teaches the importance of engaging your core during all activities. Best for those wanting to strengthen their core and improve posture. Caution: focus on maintaining proper alignment to prevent shoulder or neck strain. 3. The 30-day push-up challenge. Focus: upper body strength structure. Start with 10 push-ups and increase reps daily, sometimes reaching 100 push-ups a day by the end. Why it's popular? Push-ups work the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. It's a great way to build upper body strength without weights. The challenge pushes endurance and strength over time. Best for intermediate exercisers who want to improve upper body strength. Caution: modify with knee push-ups or wall push-ups if regular ones are too difficult. 4. The 30-day full body HIIT challenge. Focus: cardio, strength, and fat loss. Structure: short bursts of high-intensity exercises like burpees, jumping jacks, lunges, and mountain climbers, done in circuits lasting 15 to 20 minutes. Why it's popular? HIIT, high-intensity interval training, maximizes calorie burn in a short time, improves cardiovascular fitness, and builds strength. The varied exercises keep it interesting and engage multiple muscle groups. Best for those looking to lose fat, improve endurance, and don't have much time. Caution: not ideal for beginners without modifications, as the intensity can be high. 5. The 30-day yoga challenge. Focus: flexibility, mobility, and mindfulness structure. Daily yoga poses and flows lasting 15 to 30 minutes, gradually increasing in difficulty. Why it's popular? Yoga improves flexibility, reduces stress, strengthens muscles, and enhances body awareness. A 30-day challenge helps build a consistent practice that benefits both body and mind. Best for Anyone wanting a low-impact workout or to improve flexibility and mental health. Caution: ensure you follow proper form to avoid strain, especially in more advanced poses. Choosing the best challenge for you. When deciding which 30-day fitness challenge is best, consider the following factors. Your fitness level. If you're a beginner, start with something less intense, like the plank or squat challenge with modifications. Your goals. Are you looking to build strength, improve endurance, lose weight, or gain flexibility? Choose the challenge aligned with your goals. Time commitment. Some challenges require only 10 to 15 minutes a day, plank or yoga, while others like push-ups or HIIT might take longer. Access to equipment. Most challenges require minimal or no equipment, but some HIIT variations may use dumbbells or resistance bands. Personal interest. Pick something you enjoy or find interesting. This increases the chance you'll stick with it. Tips for success in any 30-day challenge. Warm-up and cool-down. Always start with a warm-up and end with stretching to prevent injury. Track your progress. Use an app, journal, or calendar to mark daily completion and motivate yourself. Listen to your body. Rest if you feel pain or excessive fatigue. Pair with good nutrition. Fuel your workouts with balanced meals to maximize results. Get support. Join online communities or find a workout buddy to keep accountability high. What happens after 30 days? Completing a 30-day challenge is just the beginning. Many participants report feeling stronger, more energetic, and motivated to continue exercising. The challenge can serve as a foundation to build longer-term habits. Some people repeat the same challenge, increasing the difficulty, while others use it as a stepping stone to more diverse or intense workouts. Conclusion: what's the best 30-day fitness challenge? Ultimately, the best 30-day fitness challenge is one that fits your goals, lifestyle, and fitness level, something you can stick to and enjoy. Whether it's squats for strong legs, planks for a solid core, push-ups for upper body power, HIIT for fat loss, or yoga for flexibility and mindfulness, any consistent daily movement is a step toward better health. If you're unsure where to start, try combining elements. For example, alternate between plank and squat challenges, or pair yoga with short HIIT sessions. The key is consistency, progressive overload, and enjoying the process. So pick a challenge, commit to 30 days, and watch how just a month can transform your body and mindset.